guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are going school supply shopping, but we're not going for me, we're going for you. Every year I do a back to school giveaway for you guys, just like say thank you for like supporting my channel and everything. And I'm gonna go shopping for the school supplies. I brought reusable grocery bag just for you guys because we're trying to like save the earth and everything. So I'm really excited for this. I have had kind of a busy day so far. It's almost noon, 11:37. I've done a lot of like businessy YouTube stuff. I don't know where we're gonna go. I need to find the directions to where we're going, so see you when we get there. So I decided to go to Office Max because I wanted to get you guys some beauty stuff, and Ulta is right next door, and like gas is kind of expensive, so we're here. I normally have a list for things I want to buy, but I don't have a list today. Also, I didn't realize like Office Max is like popping. Like, is this the new like hangout spot? Honestly, everything's like low-key expensive here, but like we're saving gas, so it's worth it. Yeah, so since I don't have a list, we're just gonna get you whatever looks pretty. Glue sticks. Oh my gosh, purple ones. Are these purple? Oh yes, but you don't need that many. Are these purple? These are not purple. Okay, well, do we like get you like, if you guys have been on my channel for a while, you know that like purple glue sticks are like a big thing for me. So do I get you a, oh my god, how many glue sticks is this? Like, you don't need this many. Like, I also want to get you purple ones. Tape? You don't need that much tape. Let's just start with highlighters. Wow. First decision, I got you guys some note cards for studying. So this is like a really like shallow card. Do you see that? I don't get it. This worker came out to me and I thought I was getting in trouble, but I didn't. So ha. Also, another addition, I got you guys this yellow pencil case because like yellow is trendy. My phone case, you know, keeping up with the trends. Okay, pencils. Should I get you guys this? Because like they're pretty, they're sparkly, and there's a lot of them. I think I'll do that. And they can go in the pencil case. Cute. Okay, my mom wanted me to get her pencils, but I think they're more expensive than she wanted, so guess we won't. What is the lead count in this? I guess there's so many that you really don't need lead. Do you guys need a medical first aid kit? I'm not really sure, but we're gonna get it for you guys anyways. And then these are also, I don't like, does anyone actually use wooden pencils? I want to get you guys these, and then found these are like my favorite highlighters. They're amazing, and I don't think, I mean, like, come on, do we really need this? Probably not. Ooh, what's this? I have no idea. This guy keeps walking by me, so I'm gonna turn around and have my back face to him. These are my favorite pencils. They don't have any pink ones, I don't think, but we're gonna get, what kind of lead is this? 0.9. This guy is following me. Okay, we're gonna hide over here from him. So I got you guys these pens, and then I don't remember what last thing I showed you guys. I think you need some notebooks now. Gotta get some paper. You know, some classes make you get a college rolled notebook. Put that in there. Ooh, do I get you guys the cheaper ones or the cuter? Probably the cuter ones. Let's do this color. This one's cute. I think I saw a cuter color in here. It's, oh, the white, yes. Is 3 enough? Oh, I got you 2 of the same one. My bad. 3 is probably enough. Folders, yellow, blue, black like my soul. Bam. We need to get you guys a planner because that's like one of my essentials. This one's kind of cute. Also, this one is empty. Okay, not that one. This one's cute too. Is there ones over here on the back? Oh, there's these. I'm like, oh, I need to take my card. Oh, these are like the empty. Oh, these are so cute. This is $25. $25 for a planner? No, I think that the other ones were, I don't remember how much the other ones were. Let's look. I need to get myself a planner. Okay, these were the same price. So yeah, they are the same price. Look what I just found. Wait, I think everyone already popped this stuff. Wait. A lady just saw me videotaping me popping bubbles. Just got out of there. It was kind of expensive, probably not my best idea, but I think I'm gonna go to Ulta next and then get you guys some beauty stuff. Probably get some stuff for me too because I needed it. But I think I made this decision, and it may be like stupid, but I kind of want to like go to a store and not vlog it and get some more stuff for the giveaway, just so you guys aren't like, I already saw what's in there, you know, so you guys are a little surprised and you guys can get some extra stuff. This stuff was normally the price of my entire giveaway from last year. Yikes. And I haven't even got like the backpack or any of the expensive like fun stuff yet, so yeah, not my best idea, but like, you guys are definitely worth it, so like I'm not complaining. We're gonna go to Ulta and get you guys some good makeup stuff, whatever I decide that would be fun to give you guys. I don't know exactly what I want to get you guys, but I saw they sell Kylie lip kits here, and maybe I'll get you one of those. Here's some like hair stuff. Ooh, I kind of need new lotion, so here's Morphe. I'm like, all the workers are here. Should I get you a James Charles palette? Jaclyn Hill palette? Ooh, what should I get you guys? I want to get you guys, ooh, I'll get you guys one of these because these are my favorite. Should I get you a brush? The sucky thing is like, I don't know what shade you guys will be, like whoever wins this, so I have to get like universal things. Trying to find my favorite highlighter. I found it, and Maybelline Makeup is buy one get one 50% off, so I'm gonna get you guys something else from here. What else do I like from Maybelline? I kind of need one of these for myself, so am I that dark? I think I'm finding some good stuff. I found some like hair care stuff and then like some makeup. Here's what I have so far, the lotions for me. Is there anything else that I need? Ooh, I heard these are good. Would you guys want nail polish? I don't know. I just got out of Ulta. I think I got you guys some good stuff. I also got like some things for me, like 2 things. But I hope that you guys really like the stuff that I got you. It was really quiet in there, so I was like, whenever I vlog, I felt like I was screaming. So I was like, okay guys, so here's what we're getting. I think I'm gonna go to the other store and then get you guys some other stuff, but again, not vlog it so I can surprise you guys with the giveaway, but I'm also really bad at surprises, so who knows how that will turn out. I hope that you guys are excited for this giveaway. I also forgot to mention that I have a piece of hair that's weird right now. I am doing a giveaway on my Instagram. I've been doing a giveaway every single day throughout this entire summer. The one that's going on right now is an American Eagle $50 gift card giveaway. I think that by the time that you guys see this video, that will have ended, so I will have a new one going out. So I think that will be a $50 Forever 21 gift card. So if you guys want to enter that, go to my Instagram. I'm like paranoid that the air conditioning is like making it sound weird. It's also really hot in my car. So yeah, go to my Instagram that if you guys want to enter to win that stuff. Again, giveaways all summer, so like follow. Ooh, oh, my camera just fell. So follow me if you're not already. I'm like trying to like really like step up my Instagram game. I think I'm doing a good job, hopefully. And then subscribe. I'm just like doing shameless self promo. Subscribe here because my next video will be the giveaway for all of this stuff, so that if you guys want to enter and win and get some good stuff, yeah, I hope that you guys like this stuff. Now we're gonna go get you some more. I'm like so close. Whoa, look at my eyelashes. You guys are sitting, wait, I need to take a picture of this. Okay, wait, look at that. You guys are sitting on my steering wheel. I should have done this forever ago. Hands-free vlogging. It's called a talent right here. On to our next location. Whoa, fell. That was not as smooth as I was hoping it would be. How did I get my tripod to stand up like I did last time? And it's like falling. Okay, well, I'm just sitting here doing some work emails in the car outside of Ross, which I'm planning on getting the back. Okay. Planning on getting the backpack. This is just so bad. 2 years ago, I got a really cute backpack from Ross. Last year, they only had ugly ones, so I'm gonna go in there, hopefully find a cute one. If not, we'll just go somewhere else to find a backpack. I wanna find a cute one that's like good quality, that's not like $60, because I'd rather spend $60 on like items and things like that for you guys, like a speaker or like makeup or something like that. So I'm doing some work emails really quickly. Hopefully no one parks near me because I'm really close to the line. Oh no. Okay, okay, the tree's in the way. Time to go to Ross. Dress for less, backpack for less. I need to find the backpacks. They move things all the time. That's cute. Really, I'm right under a speaker. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Ross is like a party place. They play their music so loud. I'm in a corner. Hi. I'm in a corner trying to hide from the music in a worker. I feel like I'm getting in trouble for like vlogging. I'm trying to find backpacks. I only found like little kid backpacks, so I'm trying to find like adult backpacks. I found the Steve Madden one, but I feel like it's, okay, that lamp is so cute. Look at how cute that lamp is. Gotta find backpacks for you guys. Okay, this is a little bit more money than I wanted to spend, but it's Steve Madden. It's the only big one that they had. They only have, oh my god, is there a rip in it? Oh, I can just cut that. I promise I'll cut all the strings off for you guys so it's not like gross looking, but not that it was gross, but it was the only big one that they had besides like the little like Paw Patrol. So I thought that was cute, and like it is more expensive, but like it's freaking Steve Madden. It's nice quality. Normally I do like cheap like JanSport or something like that backpack, so like this is a nice, and it can fit a lot. I'm just talking myself into getting it for you guys. Like, why do I want it for me too? But I hope you guys like this. I'm like not really into like name brand things, but I know some people are, so hopefully that this is like a happy medium where it's like it's a name brand but it's also like cute. We're gonna get, oh, and it has a little keychain. Cute. Oh my gosh, I keep talking myself into buying these like really expensive things because you guys are like, so like, I'm not trying to complain about spending money because you guys are 110% worth it. Probably shouldn't have gone to Office Max. That was my mistake. So guys, don't go to Office Max. They're really expensive. I'm gonna go to one last store, get you guys some little thing like glue sticks in the planner that I didn't get at Office Max. Oh, and then I also put back the folders because I was like, they're not cute enough. So I'm gonna get you guys that, but I think that's the part that I will surprise you guys with. Even though I just told you what I'm buying and it's not that much of a surprise, I'm gonna surprise you. Anyways, you're gonna love it. I'm back home now. Look at all of the stuff I got. My front seat was just filled with bags. Lots of good stuff. The last store I went into, I'm really glad I didn't vlog in because there were so many crying children. Everyone just really wanted the Paw Patrol backpack. It was just gross. The lady at the self-checkout, I go there so often, she was like, you're back? And I was like, I'm back. I got you guys this plan. I tried like, I fake made my bed, but I wanted to get you guys a cuter planner, but there was this like mom and daughter who were standing in the planner section for 10 minutes and I was walking around the store waiting for them to leave because I didn't want to be rude, and then they just like wouldn't, so I just got you this one, and I'm sorry it's not as cute. Now I'm gonna pack up the backpack. I ate a lot of food, so I feel like I have fat rolls. It's fine, we're all human. Time lapse of me packing up the backpack, even though I'm gonna have to unpack it when I do the giveaway. Oh, my SD card was full. We're gonna try it again. I'm struggling. Here it is, all packed up. It actually came with this little makeup bag kind of thing. So I had some makeup that I set aside for a while that I wanted to put in this giveaway, so I put it in there. Oh, there's a little, should I take the little sticker thing off? I'm not sure if I should take that off or not. You know what, I will just, so yeah, ooh, pretty. So it'll be like nice and fresh for you guys. I hope that you guys liked watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my next video to see the giveaway and all the other stuff that I got, and also enter my giveaway on my Instagram. I love you guys. I'm like playing with the little sticker thing, I'm sorry. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.